Day 13, self-talk and perfectionism. Your safety moment. If your inner critic sounds like past abuse or gets violent and it's hard to turn down the volume, consider that a flashing red light. You deserve proper therapeutic support for that, not just mindset tips. Your well-being preparation. Notice the last mistake you made. Notice the first sentence that popped into your head about yourself. Just observe. Your daily activity. Catch, question, replace. So write down 3 nasty phrases your inner critic throws at you around your habits. For example, you always quit. What's the point? You're lazy. People like you never change. For each one, write the harsh phrase. A more honest kind of version, for example, I have quit in the past. Today I'm learning to keep things tiny and consistent. Change is hard, but I'm actually doing the work right now. Read the new lines out loud. So to close day 13, I'm upgrading the way I speak to myself while I change. So remember, be gentle on yourself, be kind to yourself, make sure you eat, make sure you hydrate, and get some rest. And I'll see you in day 14.